guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Justin Bieber featuring Pink Sweats and Chandler Moore. It's called Where You Go, I Follow. Hold on, there's a third person. Fourth actually. That's Judah Smith. Okay, so the song is based off of 4 chords, and that's what we're going to be playing for the whole song. Let me just show you how to play it for the beginner, intermediate, and the advanced player. Alright, just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 2, and the chords that we're going to be using are as follows. So first chord is a B minor 7, which is open, 2, open, 2, 3, 3, open. Open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. Alright, so that's your first chord. So we have so this is B minor 7, and then we go to a A6, right? It's not actually an A chord, it's a B minor, it's an F sharp minor, F, right? So F sharp minor, and we're playing it as an A6, which is basically getting rid of these 2 notes that we're holding here and just holding them here. So you hold an A, right, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open, and then you hold the bass also in the same fret, right, which is the 6th string. So it becomes 2, open, 2, 2, 2, open, right? And you're only gonna pluck the strings that you're holding, which are 6, 4, 3, 2. Right, so that's your second chord in A6. So we have, and then we go A6 as a passing chord, and then we go to G. Right, so G here is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3, okay? And then we go to A major. Now A major, the bass is the 5th string open, and then you're holding, so it's open, open, 2, 2, 2, open, right? That's your A major. So we go B minor 7, and then A6 to G, and then A to close, alright? So now for the beginner player, you want to play this while strumming, okay? So you have your B minor 7, so that's down, up, down, and then you go down, down, up, down, and then you go down. So that down, up, down. You'll notice I wasn't holding the 3rd fret because when you're strumming, it actually sounds better when you leave that open. So it becomes just 3, 2, open, 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 open for G, and you're only strumming to string number 2 to get that open. So there's no one like you, Jesus. There's no one like you, Jesus. So that's B minor 7 to A6, and then G to A major. B minor 7, A6, G, and then A major. Alright, now let's get into the intermediate player. So you're going to want to pluck the strings if you're playing intermediate, which is what you would play if you're singing, right? So for B minor 7, we're plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, right? And then for A6, you're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2, and then you go to G, and you're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2 again for G. Remember to leave this open, and then you go to A major, which is 5, 4, 3, 2 again. So there's nobody like you, Jesus. There's nobody like you, Jesus. Alright, now let's get into the advanced or just the intro. You know, you might want to play this for the intro. So the lead is going, we have this. There's nobody like you, Jesus. There's nobody like you, Jesus. essentially you're hammering on the 5th fret of your E string, right there, and then you're playing the bass notes for B minor 7 to A6 to G, right, and then A. That's it. So you're just playing for B minor 7, the bass is the 2nd fret of your A string, right? So combine that with this 6th string, right, to get those 2 notes, and then you're playing 5 2 1, right? 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 1, and then you change to 6, which is the bass for A6, right? 6th string, 2nd fret, and then you switch to G and do the 6 6 2 1 6 2 1 6 2 1 6 2 1, and then the bass for A is open 5, so 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 1, and then you're back on B minor 7. So B minor 7, and then A6 G to A major. Okay, so the last time before you switch, so we have B minor 7, A6, so that was 6 6 2 1 2, okay, right before you switch to G. So you have 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 1 6 2 1 2 6 2 1 6 2 1 6 2 1 6 2 1 5 2 1 2. All right, remember the last 2 on A and on B minor 7. All right, so B minor 7, A6 G to A. There's no one like you, Jesus. Alright, that's pretty much it, and then you have that whole rhythm thing going on. It's a muted guitar, so you put your palm on the strings and then you play. So this is B minor 7, and you're playing 5 3 2 5 3 2 5 3 2 5 3 2 5 3 2 to A6 bass, and then oh yeah, so you're gonna maintain this for your B minor 7, and then as you go to A6, you're gonna maintain this 3rd fret of your B string. Is it a B? Oh yeah, it is. So B minor 7, A6, sorry, B minor 7, so for G, you're gonna leave that open. You're not gonna, actually you're gonna hammer on the 3rd fret of the B string like I showed you in the very beginning of the song. So I have B minor 7, so I have B minor 7, and then we go to A6 for the bass to G, and then A. So you're going to be hammering on the 3rd fret the whole time, and you're going to be playing 3 2. So 5 3 2 5 3 2 5 3 2 5 3 2 5 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 2 6 3 2 to 5 3 2. All right, so B minor 7, A6 G to A major. So I'm just changing the bass here. And that is it for the whole song, guys. It's going to be the same chords throughout the verses, the chorus. It's just the same thing. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.